Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be talking about front of home landscaping. I am going to share some of my favorite ideas for creating a beautiful and inviting entrance to your home. When choosing plants for your front yard, there are few things to keep in mind. First, you will want to consider the climate you live in. Some plants are more tolerant of heat and drought than others. You will also want to think about the size of your yard. If you have a small yard, you will want to choose plants too that wouldn't get too big. Here are a few of my favorite types of plants for front of home landscaping. Perennials. Perennials are plants that come back year after year. They are a great choice for front yards because they provide colors and interest throughout the seasons. Some popular perennials for front yard include hostas, daylilies, and cornflowers. Shrubs are another great option for front yards. They can provide privacy, screening, and color. Some popular shrubs for front yard include hydrangeas, rhododendrons, and azaleas. Trees can add a touch of elegance and grandeur to your front yard. They can also provide shade and cooling in the summer. Some popular for front yard include maples, oaks, and pines. Tips for choosing the right plants for your front yard. When choosing plants for your front yard, there are few things to keep in mind. Climate. Make sure to choose plants that are tolerant of the climate you live in. Size. Consider the size of your yard and choose plants that will fit the space. Maintenance. Some plants require some more maintenance than others. Choose plants that you are willing to care for. Choose plants that will add color and interest to your front yard, creating a beautiful and inviting entrance. When you have chosen your plants, it's time to start creating a beautiful and inviting entrance to your home. Here are a few tips. Use a variety of plants to create interest. Plant in groups for a more dramatic effect. Add some colors with annual or flowers. Use mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Add some decorative elements such as a bench or birth rate. With a little planning, you can create a frontier that you will love coming home to every day. I hope you enjoyed this video on front of home landscaping. I shared some of my favorite ideas for creating a beautiful and inviting entrance to your home. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.